Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Be safe and stay at home. Today, we are going to learn the subject Social Studies. Social Studies. In the subject Social Studies, today we are going to learn Lesson 4. Shall we see? What's the name of the lesson? You guess from the picture the name of the lesson? Yes, some children are standing, no? Not only one child, many are standing. They all are friends. Yes, today we are going to learn the lesson Me and My Friends. M-E, me, A-N-D and M-Y, my, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Me and my friends. Do you guess what is it? What animal is it? It's a lion. Very good. It's a lion. And what is this? It's a mouse. Very good. The lion and the mouse. You already learnt it in your previous classes, no? You all know the story. Today we are once again going to recollect what you learnt in your previous class. Shall we learn it? Yes. Look at here. All of you look at here. THERE there. WAS was. Yeah. BIG big. LION lion. There was a big lion. Once there was a big lion in the forest. Okay. Where the lion lives? It lives in the forest. ONE, one, DAY, day, one day, HECAUGHT, caught, yeah, MOUSE, mouse. One day he caught a mouse. The lion caught a mouse in his hand, no? Yes, he caught a mouse in his hand. Now, what the mouse is telling? The mouse is requesting. The mouse is requesting the lion to let him go. PLEASE, please. LET, MEME, go. Please let me go. The mouse is requesting the lion, please let me go. Now look at the next one. THE the, LION lion, FELT felt, SORRY sorry, FORTHE the, MOUSE mouse. The lion felt sorry for the mouse because the mouse requests the lion, no, I am a small creature, please let me go. It requests the lion, no. So the lion felt sorry and the lion leave the mouse. HEHLET HIM go. The lion let the mouse to go. Now look at the next picture. AFTER after, SOME some, DAYS days after some days, THE the, LION lion, WAS was, CAUGHT caught, INN yeah, NET net. After some days, the lion was caught in a net. Look at here, the lion was caught in a net, no? Yes. Shall we see next what happened? The lion is shouting, help, help, it is in danger, no? Yes. So the lion is shouting, help, help. Look at here. What happened? Who is coming there? THE the, MOUSE mouse. A-N-D and H-I-S his, F-R-I-E-N-D-S friends, C-U-T cut, T-H-E the, N-E-T net. The mouse and his friends cut the net. The mouse and his friends come and cut the net. Now what happened? T-H-E the, L-I-O-N lion, W-A-S was, F-R-E-E free. The lion was free. The lion was free. Now, what happened? Now the lion was free. Now, what the lion is telling? Shall we see? Yes, what the lion is telling? T-H-A-N-K, thank, O-I-O-U, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. From this story, what do you understand? What do you understand? First, the mouse requests the lion. At that time, what word the mouse used? The mouse used please. And then the lion let the mouse to go. No. At that time, what the lion is telling? The lion realized the mistake, and what the lion is telling? Sorry. What it is telling? Sorry. Now the mouse helped the lion with his friends. Now what the lion is telling? Thank you. Very good. Thank you. From this, do you understand what we are going to learn? Shall we see what we are going to learn in this lesson? Yes. In this lesson, we are going to learn some good manners at home and in school. We have to follow. What are the good manners we have to follow in the school and at home? We should greet elders. We should greet elders whenever you meet the elder one, your grandmother, your grandfather, anyone, your uncle, aunt, anyone elder than you should greet them. Okay, children. Now, shall we learn? Today, we are going to learn the magic words. M-A-G-I-C, magic, W-O-R-D-S, words, magic words. What are the magic words? P-L-E-A-S-E, please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Number 2, T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. T-H-A-N-K, thank, Y-O-U, thank you. And the third one, W-E-L-C-O-M-E, welcome. W-E-L-C-O-M-E, welcome. And number 4, S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. Number 5, I-T-H-I-S-S-A-L-L, all, R-I-G-H-T, right. It is all right. It is all right. And the sixth one, E-X-C-U-S-E, excuse. M-E, me, excuse me. These are all the 6 magic words. What are all the 6 magic words? Please, thank you, welcome, sorry, it is all right, excuse me. These are all the 6 magic words. When we have to use this magic words, shall we learn it now? Look at the first magic word. What's the first magic word? P-L-E-A-S-E, please. When you have to use this, look at here. What can you see? One boy is sitting in the chair and one girl is standing, no? Yes. What the girl is doing? She don't have a crayon. So she asks his friend. Asks her friend. Okay. She asks his friend for the crayons. How she is asking? She used the word please. Please lend me your crayon. She is asking please. When I want something, if you need something, you should use the word please. Okay, children? Yes. Look at the second magic word. What's the second magic word? THANK, thank, YOU. When you have to use this word thank you, look at the picture. This boy is giving the gift to her friend, no? Yes, and she is getting the gift. The friend is telling thanks. In short, she is telling thanks. When someone gives me something, when someone gives me something, you should say, when someone gives you a gift or anything they give you, your uncle, your auntie, anybody gives you anything to you, you should say thank you. It's a good habit, you should follow this. Okay children, shall we pass on to the next one? What's the third magic word? Yes, WELCOME, welcome. When we have to use this word, look at here. This girl is telling thank you, and the boy is telling welcome. The boy is telling welcome. When someone says thank you to me, you have to say welcome. If you give one chocolate to your friend is telling thank you means at that time you have to say welcome friend. What you have to say? Welcome. Okay. Now you understand when you have to say welcome? Yes. Shall we pass on to the fourth magic word? Yes, the fourth one. SORRY, sorry. SORRY, sorry. Look at here. This boy did one mistake. He is crying. Look at here. The boy is crying, no? And he is asking his mother, sorry. What he is asking? Sorry. If you do any mistake, suddenly you should ask sorry. Okay, children, it's a good habit. You should always follow that. It's a good habit. Okay. When you have to say sorry, if I hurt someone, if I hurt someone, you should say sorry. You should say sorry. Okay, dear? Yes. Now, shall we pass on to the fifth one? What's the fifth one? ITH, ISS, ALL, RIGHT, right. It is all right. When you have to use this magic word, it is all right. When someone says sorry to me, if you did any mistake and you say sorry to your mummy, at that time your mummy said, no, it's all right, ma, don't do like that. Your miss also tell like that, no? Yes. Suddenly, if you did any mistake, you should say sorry to them. Then they will tell you it is all right. If your friend did any mistake and he is asking sorry to you, you have to say it's all right. What you have to say? It is all right. Okay. Now, shall we pass on to the last magic word? Yes. Last one. Excuse me, excuse me, when you have to use this word. Look at here what the girl is doing. She is sneezing. She is sneezing. When WHEN, when ISNEEZE, sneeze. When I sneeze. When you sneeze, when you talk with your friend, at that time you get a sneeze, you have to say excuse me. What you have to say? Excuse me. Okay, children. Now we learned the six magic words, no? Yes. What are they? Please, thank you, welcome, sorry, it is all right, excuse me. Okay. When you have to use these six magic words, now you understand. Shall we pass on to the next part? What's the next part? THIS, THIS this, ISS, WHAT what, ITO do. This is what I do. What are the things you have to do? Look at here. The children are standing very neatly in a line, no? Yes. Now look at here. I W-A-L-K, walk. I-N-N, yeah. L-I-N-E, line. I-N-N-S-C-H-O-O-L, school. I walk in a line in school. In the school, you walk in a line, no? Yes. When you go to the prayer for anything, you walk in a line, no? Yes. I, D-O, do, N-O-T, not, P-U-S-H, push. OTHERS, others. I do not push others. You should not push others. If you push others, they may fall down and they get hurt. So you shouldn't push others when you stand in a line. Okay, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now look at here. What place is it? You all remember this place? Yes, the children are sitting in the chair. Amos is teaching. What place is it? It's a classroom. What's that? Classroom. Now, look at here. I-W-A-I-T, wait. F-O-R for. M-Y, my. T-U-R-N, turn. T-O-2, S-P-E-A-K, speak. I wait for my turn to speak. I wait for my turn to speak. Look at the next one. I-N-E-V-E-R, never. S-H-O-U-T, shout. I-N-N-C-L-A-S-S, class. I never shout in class. I wait for my turn to speak. I never shout in class. If your miss asks you the question in the classroom, you suddenly you shouldn't shout. If your miss directly asks you, Vijay, you can tell. Akshay, you can tell, just like that. She has to tell the name. At that time, you have to reply. Don't shout. Okay, children? Yes, you have to wait for your turn to speak. Okay? I never shout in the class. You shouldn't shout with your friend inside the classroom. Okay? Now, shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here what the children are doing. The children are having their lunch and they are sharing their food. I-S-H-A-R-E, share. M-Y, my. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. W-I-T-H, with. O-T-H-E-R-S, others. I share my things with others. You should share your things with others, not only with your friend, if your cousin, otherwise, if your niece, anybody, any relations, anybody can, you should share your things. You should not hesitate to share your things. You should share your things with others. Okay, children? And then I-H-E-H-E-L-P, help. M-Y, my. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. You should help your friends. You should help all of them. You should help all of them, not only your friend in the school, you can help your friend, and near your home also you have friends, no? For them also you should do the help. Whatever the help you can do, you should do that. Okay, children? Now, look at the next one. What the boy is doing? He is putting the waste inside the dustbin. Very good. I-T-H-R-O-W, throw. W-A-S-T-E, waste. I-N-N-T-H-E, the. D-U-S-T, dust. B-I-N, bin, dustbin. I throw waste in the dustbin. You should throw always the waste in the dustbin. And then I-K-E-E-P, keep. M-Y, my. H-O-U-S-E, house. C-L-E-A-N, clean. I keep my house clean. You should keep your house also clean and you should keep your classroom also clean. You should always throw the waste inside the dustbin. It's a good manner. Okay, children? Now, look at here. R-E-A-D, read. W-H-A-T, what? T-H-E-S-E-D, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. A-R-E-R, S-A-Y-I-N-G, saying. Read what these children are saying. Shall we read it now? Yes. Now look at here. The girl is telling I, D-O, do, N-O-T, not, W-A-S-T-E, waste, P-A-P-E-R, paper. I do not waste paper. She never wastes paper. You also never waste paper, no? You're all good children, no? Yes. You shouldn't add any paper from the notebook. You shouldn't waste paper. Okay, children? Yes. Look at the next one. What the boy is telling. Look at here. I-K-E-E-P, keep. M-Y, my. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M, room. C-L-E-A-N, clean. I keep my classroom clean. This boy keep his classroom always clean. Just like him, you should always keep your classroom clean and you should keep your home also clean. Okay? What he is telling. I-S-A-V-E, save, W-A-T-E-R, water. I save water. Do you save water? Yes, you are all good children. You should save water. Okay? Don't waste water. You should save it. Okay? What the girl is telling. I-L-O-V-E, love, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, A-N-D, and A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. I love plants and animals. This girl love plants and animals. You also love plants, no? Yes, don't pluck leaves unnecessarily from the plants. If you need it for your work, you can pluck it, but unnecessarily you shouldn't pluck leaves from the plants. And you shouldn't harm animals. You shouldn't harm animals. You should love them. Okay? Be a good children. If you follow these good manners and if you use these magic words, you are always be good. You can get a good name from all. Okay, children? You all are good children. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Yes, you all enjoyed this lesson, no? Yes. Shall we see what's the homework today? Yes, today's homework. Read the lesson 4 from pages 24 to 26 in Social Studies book. From the Social Studies book, from pages 24 to 26, you should read the lesson. Okay, children? And you learn the spelling for the magic words nicely. Okay? Shall we meet in the next class? Okay, children. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.